Rewear Shopping App EP5 Sparkles. Create onboarding slide with Canva BG plus Jetpack Compose. Open Canva and create a mobile screen size design. Apply a gradient or solid background color. Add a full-size background image from elements or photos. Resize the image to fit the onboarding screen properly. Reduce the image opacity for a soft overlay effect. Create 3 Canva background images for the slider screens. Export the background as PNG. Copy the images. Open Android Studio, create a Jetpack Compose project, and paste the images into the drawable folder. Set up app navigation for the onboarding screen. Initialize onboarding data in the onboard data class using vals. Use horizontal pager for onboarding slides with 3 images and texts. Set the BG image using image composable. Apply an overlay gradient color for a modern Glass UI look. This is the result after adding the overlay gradient effect. Create a Glassmorphism card with blur effect. Add title, subtitle, and spacer for proper composable spacing. Create a row with 3 dots to indicate the slider position. Add next/get started button. Here is the final result after login screen. Quick tip: modern Glass UI onboarding screen is ready.